Hi everyone. So today we are going live with Nandan from Hulla Deck Recycling, and he recycle electronic waste, and we will listen his amazing journey and how he recycle electronic waste and lot more about him. So please join today and know him. I will soon invite him here. Hi Nandan.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you guys doing?
We are good, and really I'm really excited to be you are here and to talk with you and ask lot of questions. So I just wanna start with a question with how did you started and like what was your motivation behind starting Hula Deck Recycling?
Believe it or not, it started as a college project. I belong to St. Xavier's, Calcutta, one of the better colleges for commerce and economics in the country. And we had a competition back then, where we had to make a business plan and submit it. And the brief that was given to us is make a business plan for the future. And the target was कि आज से 10 साल बाद जो business चले ऐसी कोई business plan बना के दें. So that's how the idea came to us. I was a junior in the first year then, और मुझे बस टीम में इसलिए शामिल किया गया था क्योंकि मैं ठीक ठाक बात कर लेता हूँ. I had no idea about the technology, no idea about the finances, nothing. And I had seniors who mentored me through the competition, and we first won our intra college, then went to inter college, even went to nationals and internationals in Dubai with the business plan. And that's how the idea or the germ or the seed of Hula Deck was laid in my mind. Um, and that's how it started, yeah. And 5 years after that, Hula Deck was born, and we actually incorporated and we started the journey, which was once like a college project. So yeah, that's how it happened.
That's a really great way. Like from a college you just started and at a big level, national level you are playing today. So I think Hula recycle lot of electronic waste. So I just want to know like how you are reducing the growing electronic waste in our country right now.
Okay, see, the main issue with electronic waste is, and the whole idea why I'm here also today is that people are not really aware about it. People are not really aware how exactly electronic waste works, and how the problems are associated with the environment or with the health issues that it has. So the main challenge with electronic waste is that it contains hazardous materials, which if it is not treated properly, it causes a lot of environmental damage and also a lot of health issues. ये चीज़ें लोगों को पता नहीं है, और हम सबसे पहली जो काम कर रहे हैं इसको लेके अवेयरनेस फैला रहे हैं. We are telling more and more people about it. We are telling across schools, colleges, NGOs, platforms like yours, spreading the word about electronic waste management, and trying to make sure that more and more people know about it. Secondly, of course, is that we work as a PRO or a producer responsibility organization, where we help brands such as LG, Samsung, Lenovo, Dell, so on and so forth. We have about 45 brands on board who are producers or manufacturers of electronic waste, and we actually help them in recycling the electronic waste that is generated out of their production or the material that they have sold in the market. So we have tie-ups with various recyclers across the country, and we channelize the waste to them to ensure that the proper recycling happens. And third, of course, is that this all of this entire process needs to be documented. It needs to be filed. It needs to be audited. It needs to be sent to the government. So all that back office processes are also done by us. So we are actually ensuring that the waste, instead of going to the general kabadiwala sector or the informal sector, actually goes into proper recycling and actually gets used at the end of the life very, very well.
Yeah, yeah. Even like I like if it is going to like local kabadi walas, there are some chances like they got hazardous with the electronic waste. So I think that's a great way you are reaching to the recycle who can make the recycling of the electronic waste. So
Absolutely.
as I know, like you are also not as a with the brands you are recycling electronic waste. You are you are providing service to consumers also to recycle their electronic waste. So how easy it is to recycle electronic waste with you? as a consumer?
Oh, it's very, very simple. See, across the country, we have about 14 collection centers, and this number is growing. अभी 14 शहर में हम काम कर रहे हैं, and looking forward to reaching all the states by the end of this year. You can call our toll-free number, which is 1-800-212-7880, and you can just schedule a pickup. Normally, it takes 7 to 10 days in any part of the country to come and lift your e-waste. एंड देर इज नो मिनिमम क्वांटिटी. ऐसे नहीं है कि हम एक मोबाइल के लिए नहीं आएंगे या एक तार के लिए नहीं आएंगे. यू हैव टू नेम योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, यू हैव टू टेल अस हाउ मच क्वांटिटी देर इज, एंड वी विल कम एंड पिक इट अप फ्रॉम योर होम्स एज वेल. सो एज अ कंज्यूमर इट्स मच ईजियर. सेकेंड, ऑफ कोर्स, जैसे मैंने बोला, वी हैव कलेक्शन सेंटर्स इन 14 सिटीज. सो अगर आप जाके अपनी ई वेस्ट एक्चुअली कलेक्शन सेंटर तक ड्रॉप करना चाहें, दैट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड इनिशिएटिव, एंड वी रिवॉर्ड दैट. We have about 20 brands on board who have various coupons, such as P-Safe being one of the most prominent brands we have, Head Turner Salon being another one, and there were many other brands who actually have supported our cause of recycling. So they've given us a lot of discount vouchers for their products and their services. तो अगर आप आके हमारे कलेक्शन सेंटर में ड्रॉप कर जाते हैं तो you get a lot of these coupons which you can redeem against these national brands. You know, we all know how big PSafe has become in the last 2 years, and you know, we look forward to growing that as well.
Got it. So like
So yeah.
they can either go to their recycle unit, or like they can just schedule and you come, your employees come directly to their home and collecting the recycling waste.
Absolutely. Yeah, we can go door to door and we can collect it. Yeah.
That's really amazing. Like as you are like growing and like you are making easier for consumer to collect their electronic waste. So as I know, like you are right now operating in Mumbai and in Kolkata, and do you have like a more presence into like other one tier cities like Delhi and Goa?
Across the country, right? We are in very small towns as well. We are in Bardoli, it's a small town in Gujarat. We are in Kakinada, which is a small town in Andhra Pradesh. Bigger metros such as Bangalore, Delhi, Bombay में तो presence है ही. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में गुवाहाटी में है, नई कैपिटल कोहिमा में एक छोटा सा शहर है दीमापुर बोल के, वहां पे भी हम काम कर रहे हैं. अगरतला में है जो त्रिपुरा की कैपिटल है, राजधानी है, एंड शिलोंग में है. यू नो, मैं इनफैक्ट आज हमारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ आया था. शिलोंग की एक बहुत फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है हमारे कैलकाटा में, वहां पे लंच करने आया था. एंड सो हैप्पी टू नो यू नो दैट आवर वर्क टेक्स अस अक्रॉस द, एंड हमारे जो शिलोंग के पार्टनर्स है, यू नो, they make the best thukpa in the world. You know, everyone should try it for sure. So this is how it is. We are primarily in Eastern India और South और North के बड़े शहरों में हमने वेंचर किया है. And like I said, we are looking forward to actually covering all the states in the country by the end of this financial year. So hopefully we'll be able to do that.
That's really amazing. Like you are into like small towns also and into a big cities, and like I seen like you make like a lot of electronics from electronic waste. You are making a lot of products also. Like I seen the like winning cup you providing, and like some other like watches and like a wall clock you are making. So like can I know like the what are the more products you are trying to make right now from electronic waste?
So this was actually an experiment we tried this year. अभी तक हम इसको commercially बेच नहीं रहे हैं, but we got an overwhelming response with the clock. You know, लोगों ने हमें, हमारी एक अवार्ड सेरेमनी होती है हर साल जहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ एसोसिएटेड है, we call it Hula Deck Honors. They come and actually we reward them for the service and the partnership that they provided us throughout the year. तो उस अवार्ड सेरेमनी के लिए हमने ये रिटर्न गिफ्ट सबको दिए थे, where we made these clocks out of electronic waste, and we got an overwhelming response in the sense we had people calling us after the award ceremony also कि एक पीस दो पीस और मिल सकते हैं क्या, या you know, what are you selling it at, is it possible to purchase it? So yes, I mean that has really gone well. So we are figuring a model as to how we can actually make this commercially available, and clock से शुरू करके और भी products में हम definitely soon venture करेंगे. So yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, I think these were the amazing products I seen till now. Like the clock was and the like winning cup you provided. That is really amazing. And
Right.
like, can I know like what are the in electronic waste? What are the electronic waste you are collecting in some of like the tube, the electronic the tube is also collected. Yeah, like the wasted tube and the other like refrigerator or like old mobile phones. So can you name other things that you are collecting that people
Yeah,
generally don't
pretty
know they
much.
can give to you?
Absolutely. Pretty much anything that requires electricity to function or requires a battery to function is electronic waste. तो all of that अगर वो खराब हो जाए या फिर पुरानी हो जाए या फिर it is outdated or obsolete, you know, if it's either one of these four, you can term it as electronic waste and you can definitely have it recycled with Huladeck. The main issue with electronic waste, like I said in the beginning of the conversation, is that it contains a lot of hazardous elements. जिसको अगर properly recycle नहीं की जाए, it causes a lot of environmental damage and health issues. So anything you can imagine, जिससे या तो बैटरी चाहिए हो या तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए हो डायरेक्ट चलने के लिए, अगर वो खराब हो जाए या आउटडेटेड या ऑब्सोलीट हो जाए तो हम उसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट बुला सकते हैं.
Got it. So like any product that has a battery and that is not that is waste for you, they can go give to you easily.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
definitely they will get exciting coupons in return, so they can use for any purchase also.
Absolutely. Yes.
That's really great. And like, are you dealing with the other waste also? Like right now, you are just focusing on electronic waste.
So we recently tied up with a company to manage plastic waste. So we've started plastic waste management as well. But जिन कंपनी के साथ हमने टाई अप किया है, they are anyway the single largest solid waste service manufacturer provider in our city. तो जितना भी प्लास्टिक वेस्ट है उनके साथ कलेक्ट होके बाय डिफॉल्ट आती है एंड वी आर चैनलाइजिंग इट टू रिसाइकलर्स ऑन देयर बिहाफ. So now we are also doing plastic waste management along with electronic waste management. But focus is still electronic waste. इसको और बढ़ाना है. Plastic waste is a new wing which we've just started and we look forward to growing that as well. शुरुआत में तो of course we look at Bengal and the other parts and then उसको भी national level पे हम लेके जाएंगे very very soon.
But yeah, I think these two are the biggest cause that are causing environment issue right now. So and you are putting work in both of them. It's really a good work you're doing. And like as you know, like you are growing at a lot of cities. So I just wanna know like what were the challenges you face in the past time or like in current challenges what you have.
Challenges, buddy, are pretty much the same. More and more people have understood the importance of recycling, but अभी भी दिल्ली बहुत दूर है. Like we say, a lot of people still do not get the concept, the importance, why it is important to recycle versus giving it to a scrap dealer or a kabadi wala. वो एक challenge है, of course, lack of awareness and lack of understanding of the subject. ये दो चीजें हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू नो डोर टू डोर रीच जितना एक कबाड़ी वाले नेटवर्क का है उतना डोर टू डोर रीच अभी तक कोई भी फॉर्मल रिसाइकलर नहीं बना पाया है. ऑफ कोर्स दिस रीच बाय द कबाड़ी वालास हैव बीन बिल्ट ओवर जनरेशंस ओवर 60 70 80 years. So we are trying to disrupt that market and build a reach where we can actually go door to door and actually nationally say that हर घर से हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट उतार सकते हैं. So that is a challenge as well as that is the opportunity. बोथ मैं कहूंगा कि if we can actually provide the service like an Amazon can actually deliver to every home in the country, we can actually pick up e-waste from every home in the country. Nothing better than that. So this is the two primary things I think we are focusing on and two primary challenges we have.
Yeah, I think I also agree. Like this is the biggest challenge and the biggest opportunity you have, and for all of us. And if we cater it, and we will be like providing better waste solution services to people and can make city better. So
Absolutely.
Can you tell like any past challenges you had and how you tackled it in a like a better way?
Okay, so शुरुआत में when we started off the first couple of years, you know, we used to go to schools and colleges and conduct these awareness sessions. And ये सारे बच्चे आते थे हमारे पास बहुत excited होके, and you know, they used to ask us how we can recycle, and we used to share their numbers and so on and so forth. But when the parents came on board और वो अपने घर के सामान देना चाह रहे थे, the kids from the schools were excited and wanted to actually donate their electronic waste. तो पेरेंट्स आके बोलते थे कि अरे नहीं, कबाड़ी वाला लेके जाता है तो यार ये तो पैसे दे के जाता है, तो हाउ आर यू टेकिंग इट अवे, आप कुछ तो पैसे दो, कुछ तो दो. एंड उस समय हमारे पास ना ही हम इतने बड़े थे, neither did we have these coupons and these great brands supporting us. So there was a very, very big challenge. You know, we used to actually weigh the amount of money they would get versus a thing that they would not think about. For example, जितने पैसे आपको एक वॉशिंग मशीन बेच के मिलते हैं, उतने की आपकी 2 जन की मूवी टिकट्स आ जाती है. या जितने पैसे आपको एक एसी बेच के मिलते हैं, उतने की आपकी एक बेसिक स्मार्टफोन आ जाती है. तो द आइडिया वाज कि हाउ मच मनी आर यू एक्चुअली लूजिंग. आप एक मूवी टिकट पे जो 3 घंटे में स्पेंड कर देते हो, आप उसके लिए हमसे झगड़े कर रहे हो. या आप एक लंच पे जाते हो, डिनर पे जाते हो, जितने पैसे खर्च करते हो उसके लिए आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं नहीं, कबाड़ी वाला दे रहा है तो हम दे. तो इज द एनवायरमेंट रियली वर्थ सो लिटिल कि आप एनवायरमेंट के लिए एक मूवी के पैसे भी नहीं छोड़ सकते या एक लंच के पैसे भी नहीं छोड़ सकते. So that is the basic challenge that we had faced, and that's how we tackled it. We actually started telling people कि what is it actually equal to. जिस पैसे के लिए आप बोल रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को कि रिसाइकल ना करे और कबाड़ी वाला तो पैसे देके जाता है, उस पैसे की एक्चुअली अगर कन्वर्ट करें तो क्या वैल्यू है. सेकेंड ऑफ कोर्स, इस साल हमने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज किया. हमारे 7 साल खत्म हुए एंड वी एक्चुअली गॉट पीपल जो हमारे फर्स्ट ईयर के फर्स्ट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर्स थे, यानी कि हमारे टॉप 50 कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर्स जो थे, हमने उनको लाया. एंड दे एक्चुअली शेयर्ड देयर स्टोरीज दैट व्हाट वुड दे डू बिफोर Hula Deck came into their lives, and what is the worst possible way they had disposed of their electronic waste. And what are they doing now. And we actually rewarded them कि देखिए आपने कितनी लंबी सफर तय की है. कि किसी ने बोला कि मैंने बैटरी को खोल के देखना चाह रहा था कि उसके अंदर क्या होता है, तो मैंने बैटरी खोल के फिर उसे कूड़े में फेंक दिया. एंड आज वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल रिसाइकलर है. तो हमने बोला कि आप क्या काम कर रहे थे पहले और अब आप क्या कर रहे हो. तो kudos to that, you have made that journey and you've actually learned how to manage your electronic waste. So great. तो वी क्रिएटेड एन एग्जाम्पल कि इट्स ओके, गलती सबसे होती है. हमारे जो पहले कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर्स थे उन्होंने भी आज की गलती की है, और कुछ ऐसे भी निकल के आए जो आज जो इंडस्ट्री में हैं लोग, जो एक्चुअली रिसाइकलर है, जो हमारे पार्टनर हैं, उन्होंने भी जब इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं थे ऐसे काम किए थे. तो इट्स नेवर टू लेट टू लर्न. आज अवेयरनेस आज भी बहुत कम है. अगर आज भी आप अपना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट सही से रिसाइकल करना शुरू कर दो, तब भी कोई गलत नहीं है. सब गलतियां पहले की माफ है. So that was the idea that we portrayed, and it really was successful, and the parents understood, and even the people who were in the audience this year across the country understood कि ठीक है यार, जब भी जागो वही सवेरा, and let's recycle our electronic waste. अगर पहले नहीं किया तो अब तो कर लेते.
Yeah, I think that's a really good metaphor you used for like at least bringing parents to give their electronic waste, and that's a really great example you shared. So like that's a really great strategy that you used, and like right now you are like collecting from a lot of schools. So are you still collecting from a lot of schools, or like at branch level only?
So schools currently with the COVID situation, not many schools are open, तो collection drives तो नहीं हो पा रहे, but we still continue to do awareness sessions through webinars. Schools are still engaged and still have given us a lot of number of sessions, and students काफी lucrative हुए हैं. लेकिन बच्चों के घरों से हमने काफी कलेक्शन किए हैं. Last year, combined all our offices, we did about 35 tons of electronic waste collection from individual homes, which is approximately, it translates to approximately 4.5 to 5,000 unique homes across the country, जहाँ से हमने ये collection किए हैं. Right, there are people who give us 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg also. तो yes, the number has seriously driven, and अब हम चाह रहे हैं कि लास्ट ईयर ये 1,000-1,500 में थे, इस साल 3,500-4,000 में गए हैं. नेक्स्ट ईयर भी एटलीस्ट टारगेट 10,000 एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सो ये स्कूल्स तो अभी नहीं हो पा रहे हैं बिकॉज द स्कूल्स आर मोस्टली शट अक्रॉस द कंट्री, बट डेफिनेटली द किड्स आर गेटिंग अवेयर थ्रू द वेबिनार्स एंड एक्चुअली कंट्रीब्यूटिंग फ्रॉम देयर होम्स.
Got it. So like as like everyone the previously you collected from a lot of schools, and right now you are collecting from a lot of brands. And as you know, previously students were not like parents were not giving to you because of the money they wanna save, and they did not know where the electronic waste were going. So, can you share like why should everyone should recycle their electronic waste, and what are the some major environment hazards provided by the electronic waste if it go to a local kabadi wala rather than to a,
So
proper recycle?
the main issues are threefold. Firstly, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट में कुछ हाजिडस मटेरियल्स होते हैं. अगर उस हाजिडस मटेरियल को अलग से प्रॉपर्ली ट्रीट नहीं किया गया और वो एनवायरनमेंट के किसी भी पार्ट से जाके मिल जाती है तो उसे 100% पोल्यूट करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पुराने जो डब्बे टीवी होते थे जिसको हम सीआरटी टीवीज मॉनिटर्स कहते हैं, दो सीआरटी टीवीज एंड मॉनिटर्स कंटेन लेड. Now, if that lead is not properly recycled and it gets mixed with the water or the sand, landfill, right? It pollutes the soil, it pollutes the water, and we all know कि अगर आप lead की polluted पानी पियोगे या lead के soil में पका हुआ vegetable खाओगे तो आपकी body को क्या होगा, right? So that is number one. Number two is that e-waste, if it is stored, there is no problem. But if it is dismantled improperly, in the sense कि जब प्रोसेस उसको तोड़ा जा रहा है उस समय में अगर वो प्रॉपरली नहीं की जाए तो उससे बहुत हार्म हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एयर कंडीशनर जो होते हैं उसमें जो CFCs HCFCs गैस होते हैं, अगर जब आप उसे काट रहे हैं, तोड़ रहे हैं, उस गैस को पहले आप ना निकालें और उसे सेपरेटली ना स्टोर करें तो वो सिंपली हवा में एस्केप हो जाती है, एंड जो ओजोन डिप्लीशन वो कॉज करती है वो और बड़े मात्रा में कॉज करती है. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई द वेस्ट, hazardous waste that is there inside e-waste. Second, to ensure that it is removed before any processing or any dismantling or recycling of that electronic waste is happening. And lastly, why you should do it is because simply we need to learn to move on. इंडिया में ना एक बहुत गंदा आदत है कि कभी ना कभी तो काम आएगा, राइट? और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के साथ तो जो पहली जनरेशन है, मान के चलो आज 25 साल 30 साल पहले के जो लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपना पहला कंप्यूटर या पहला टीवी या पहला लैपटॉप खरीदा था, उनको एक इमोशनल अटैचमेंट भी है. तो यू नो, आई तो रियली वांटेड टू कॉपी द टैगलाइन, बट फास्ट ट्रैक ने पहले कर दिया कि मूव ऑन. यू नो, देयर आर बेटर थिंग्स इन लाइफ, देयर आर बेटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इन लाइफ. जस्ट मूव ऑन एंड रिसाइकल इट इन अ प्रॉपर वे, यू नो, बिकॉज नहीं तो वो अननेसेसरीली स्टैक करके और घर पे रखना कि कभी ना कभी तो काम आएगा, कभी ना कभी किसी को दे देंगे, किसी को डोनेट कर देंगे, किसी डोमेस्टिक हेल्प को दे देंगे या ड्राइवर को दे देंगे या किसी पुअर पर्सन को दे देंगे. अगर देना है तो दीजिए और नहीं देना है तो फिर रिसाइकल करिए. यही है. सो दीज आर द थ्री प्राइमरली थिंग्स यू कैन फोकस ऑन, यू नो, व्हाई यू शुड रिसाइकल, आई थिंक.
Got it, got it. Like if the person is not doing their, like if they giving to the local recycle and they don't know the proper way of recycling of e-waste, so there must be a chance that it will be harming environment. So
Absolutely.
I think the proper way of electronic waste recycling should be know before you are going to recycle, or like generally what local recyclers do is, I think they break the electronic waste into pieces and they get their useful items. So that should be
Right.
avoided first. And as you
Right.
said, like this like local Indian jugaad, like we try to save everything until like it ended itself. So we try to just save at home. So like yeah, that's a mentality we should change, and like we should recycle our like whatever waste we have, like plastic or electronic waste, and we should not keep at home for a long. Either we should give to any organization or donate it and recycle it. So like it's really nice points you added. And like as you're expanding into a different cities, so I just want to know like if any interns or volunteers, how anyone can join with you, and like what are the expansion plan of you in different cities for you right now?
Okay, so to join us, the first thing you do is you simply go to our website and there is a careers option, career section, and there you can upload your CV and, you know, just write in the position that you're interested in. The openings are listed there. तो आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आपको कौन से ओपनिंग में और किस लोकेशन के लिए आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं. सेकंड, ऑफ कोर्स, लाइक आई सेड, इज वी आर ट्राइंग टू रीच to all the states of the country within this financial year. So definitely there will be job openings across the country. प्राइमरीली फर्स्ट रोल जो हम करते हैं जिसको कहते हैं वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एडवाइजर, जो बेसिकली बंदे जाके कॉर्पोरेट्स को या इंडिविजुअल को समझाते हैं कि उन्हें अपना ई वेस्ट क्यों रिसाइकल करना चाहिए और उन्हें एडवाइस देते हैं कि कैसे रिसाइकल करना चाहिए. So the first entry level job that we offer is of a waste management advisor, which is open across all the locations. So in case someone wants to join, and generally this WMA profile we offer to interns, जो college kids होते हैं, जिस college pass outs होते हैं या probably right out of school होते हैं. This is the kind of people who we look at, who are passionate, who are willing to run 12 घंटे धूप में भी चलना पड़े तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, right? We want people like that to come on board who actually want to make a change. So इस साल ऑलरेडी 8 से 10 ओपनिंग्स हैं जो हमारी वेबसाइट पे लिस्टेड हैं, एंड वेरी सून लिंक्डइन पे और फेसबुक इंस्टा पे भी सब जगह ये लिस्टिंग्स आ जाएंगी probably by the end of the month. So people can just simply reach out to us either on any of the social media platforms, or best is to upload your CV on our website and we'll get in touch if you are suitable for the role.
That's a really great way. At least you're providing a environment enthusiast people who can connect with you and like improve the environment, and that's a great motive. So like from a like a WMA position, like are you offering like a different at a like a different position also, like apart from WMA?
Yeah, so we are franchising. जितने भी हमारे expansions हो रहे हैं, both own centers as well as franchising भी हो रहे हैं. So if someone is actually interested in the business side of things, they can take up a franchise center of ours, and we can go ahead with that model as well. We are looking at young entrepreneurs. अभी हमारे जितने franchise partners हैं, the average age is below 30. तो ये सब young लोग हैं जिन्होंने 2, 3, 4 साल, 5 साल शायद corporate में काम किया है, and then they decided they want to do something of their own. And I believe you know that सारे के सारे are profitable. सब 1.5-2 साल में प्रॉफिटेबल बन जाते हैं, एंड देन दे आर ग्रोइंग. एंड बहुत सी ऐसी आइडियाज है जो हमारे फ्रेंचाइज पार्टनर्स इंप्लीमेंट पहले करते हैं और हम उसे कॉपी करते हैं एट नेशनल लेवल. सो इट्स अ टीम एंड अ फैमिली दैट इज ग्रोइंग, एंड वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैविंग मोर एंड मोर पीपल ऑन बोर्ड as much as possible.
Yeah, that's I think a great opportunity you shared. Like at least people can start their own franchise there in locality, and can as you are saying, in a 1 year they can be profitable. So I think that's a really good opportunity for all of us. And as you shared, like it is very easy with you to recycle. You just have to schedule it, and either you will collect from their home, and or like they can go to their nearest recycle. So I just want to know, like, do you have any near recycle points in Delhi? Because our most of our audience are from Delhi and NCR. So do you have any recycle point in Delhi so people can go and donate there?
दिल्ली के एकदम दिल के बीच में हमारी कलेक्शन सेंटर है. we are very close to CP. The location is listed on our website. CP से it's like 100-200 meters walking distance पे हमारे चैनल पार्टनर्स है ऑल इंडिया विमेंस कॉन्फ्रेंस. वहाँ पे हमारा सेंटर है. वहाँ पे एक हॉल भी है, आई थिंक आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम, सम कनोरिया हॉल, जो काफी फेमस है. तो उसके पास में ही हमारा सेंटर है, एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द बिगर कलेक्शन सेंटर्स दैट वी हैव. तो दिल्ली में इफ यू वांट टू रिसाइकल, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कम एंड ड्रॉप ऑफ योर ई वेस्ट इन, एंड इट्स इन कनॉट प्लेस, तो यू कांट मिस इट.
True. I think people go generally for a coffee and for like lunch with their friends and family, so they can easily drop it there. So I will really request to all of my audience, they can go and give their electronic waste there. So, and the next is like, are you collecting from at a society level in Delhi, or at Delhi or in other cities, or like as you said, you collecting from school and branch? So at a society level, are you doing any activities?
यस, सोसाइटी लेवल ऑल्सो, बट सारे शहरों में अभी तक ये नहीं शुरू हुई है. बट सोसाइटी लेवल भी कलेक्शन होती है. दिल्ली में हम कर रहे हैं, इवन इन बैंगलोर, इवन इन मुंबई, इवन इन कैलकाटा, बट नॉट ऑल द लोकेशंस वी आर डूइंग सोसाइटी लेवल. बट बड़े शहरों में यस, दिस हैज स्टार्टेड.
Got it. So yeah, I will channelize this at least to my known, so they can start recycling at their society level of electronic waste with you.
Absolutely.
So I really appreciate you for your joining today and like sharing a lot of information and ideas anyone can pick and use in their life, and at least to use their franchise to make a profitable business at their locality.
Right. I think there was just one question during the chat I saw कि do you provide EPR services? तो जिन्होंने पूछा था, yes we do provide EPR services. अगर आपको ईपीआर सर्विसेज की जरूरत है और उसके बारे में थोड़ा और जानना चाहते हैं या हमारे साथ जुड़ के आप ईपीआर सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करना चाहते हैं, प्लीज रीच आउट टू अस. You can reach out on Insta as well, or our toll free number is 1800-212-7880. So call us there. Yes, we are providing EPR services. We are one of the premier PROs in the country, so definitely we can have a chat about that.
Thanks for sharing the answer on that question. I missed that. So I really request all of us to like recycle their electronic waste so we can reduce the growing electronic waste in our city and improve our green city and better city. Thanks.
Right. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. And Waste to Wonders doing a great job. I think featuring waste entrepreneurs across the country. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. We are a very big minority, as I might say. बहुत लोग नहीं है जो ये काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब धीरे धीरे हमारी कम्युनिटी बहुत बढ़ रही है. So good to have people like you who are backing us and supporting us and taking the message as far as possible. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you Nandan for joining today and sharing a lot of information. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.